Yun. Good morning, viewer. Gusto ko lang i-share tong feature na natuklasan and napag-aralan ko. Took me maybe 2 days to finally have it working or mapagana. Itong nakikita niyong stats with the speed, acceleration, elevation, and so on. This is a feature sa Insta360 app, and hindi ko na na-capture yung pag-edit ko or pag-screen capturing, pero explain ko na lang. It's pretty simple naman. So first, of course, you have to have an Insta360 camera. I'm not sure with the other action cameras kung merong features nito, but with the Insta360 you have to have that, and iset nyo yung camera or yung video na mag-capture to record GPS data. Yun ay pagbukas mo ng camera dun sa Insta360 app, sa upper right, meron dong icon. You press on that, tapos i-enable nyo yung GPS data. And then also, yung syempre kailangan nito ng GPS data, so magdidepende yan sa gamit mo. Pwedeng Garmin, pwedeng yung GPS within your phone. In most cases, or in my case, yung GPS of course doon sa phone ko. Hindi nga pala to gagana pag in-start mo yung pag-video capture through Insta360 itself. Pag pinrest mo yung video on sa Insta360, hindi yun gagana. Dapat i-enable mo or i-start mo yung pag-video sa application dun sa phone, and then dun mo rin stop. Or there's also one way, kung meron kang Apple Watch, doon mo rin pwedeng i-start yung pag-video, pag-start ng video. So, pag yan nag-off yung screen sa, or nag-time out yung screen sa phone, nagsa-stop din tong pag-video. So, make sure, actually hindi naman yung magsa-stop while it's recording, so that's okay. But that's just a warning. Ayun. Also, yung mga skins or yung mga type ng display, maraming options doon. I think there's about 8 or 7. This one is cyber, I think. Meron dong racing, simple, futuristic, and so on. And ito medyo simple lang. Ang ganda kasi meron ding option dun sa stats na pwede mong i-select, like yung acceleration, bukod dun sa speed, elevation, slope, basta maraming option dun sa data. Lahat ng nakakuha ng GPS na data, or I'm not sure if lahat, but ang dami dong options na pwede mong isama sa screen. Well, anyway, that's it, and I hope this helps you, or if it interests you, helps you to try this one. Thanks!